Lisa from Funderinval. I'm tired. Yeah, I'm tired. As usual. We're recording a lot today because I'm going on vacation. I need to have content to put out for you guys, or that wouldn't be very good. Okay, I recorded like 3 videos today. One is fucked. Yeah. So we'll see. Might post that one too. Tomorrow we're recording like 4 more videos. We will see what happens. Am I tired? I said yes. I fucking. That isn't a great start, but like, it's nothing up really okay. Okay, I'm still love this edible one, even if it has not been very nice lately. It really hasn't. The Ghost one though, I don't know. I feel like it was better at its release. No, it has just been shit. But yeah, it's a good one. Alright. And then yeah. We're gonna talk about stuff under this battle. What have we done today? I have been recording, I said, and I have been waiting. Yeah, I'm crazy. So, well, that was good. That was great. The best host? Maybe not. But I was supposed to say something, but I'm not very good at like doing this. I don't know why. Okay, yeah. Prove it. That's crazy. Damn. Okay, sorry. Off topic. He needs to get something where we are cooked. Okay, we're not cooked. We're not cooked. We should. Yeah, we need to count so you don't. Alright. But yeah. Today I have been watching some streams where some friends were streaming. Really fun. I had a good time, and now we have a better time. Looks like these two are kind of fun. So 50-50, yes, give me the title. This is like a don't cost me. Don't. Finally, so that's BGG. And then now we just go back to normal GG shit. Alright. That's fun though. Actually, bro. My computer sounds like a fucking airplane again, which sucks. Okay, this is the strat, I promise you, bro. Okay, it's like, it maybe isn't actually, I'm honest. It wasn't very bad strat, if it was strat. Because, I probably wouldn't get the thing. And he starts off with a, I hate that one. I hate the metal flower so much. I hate it so much. No, no. Alright, I mean, whether I'm back, no. No. I feel like we have a plan. I have a plan. We're just gonna go with like, these ones, they're pretty cool. Some good items. One high noon. No, I guess. Like this. I don't remember if this one was good or not. Oh yeah, the Lisa. And dark water, and yeah, it's pretty cool. And all. I don't know, I like these two regular ones. I think it's pretty fun. For my job, how much? Hopefully it will get better in a week or so. that needs to be a little better. Yeah, really just we're gonna do but yeah, I'm very sad. I'm like a little bit exhausted recording, but like it's not because it's like it's hard to record videos. It's like it's hard to just fix it. But it's sönder ofta. Det är som det sticker åt fan. And that shit, and like all the blood's gone. I'm like pissed and getting it's like this shit really fucks up me. Yeah. Did it turn off? Okay. I did. Well, now what am I? Może bukiet listów. Imagine. Double picks. Yeah. Today, like, Sons of Storm, it's good. Mountain Heat is bad. Okay, I don't know. Oh, goodness. Oh fuck. Okay, yes, det är ett good guy. Let's do it. Actually, alright, I feel like we're not done yet, because that would be boring. Whatever the content you do. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Fuck. Okay, alright. Good. And okay. Well. Fast. Alright. I'm feeling it. I think I've watched him back.